taken the Surpass Hobby Platinum motor out now, so the next motor we're going to test is the Xteam, which is like a Castle lookalike motor. It's supposed to be 3180 kV, but we measured it at just under 3100. I'm going to run the 13 tooth pinion to start with, might go up to a 14 or a 15 tooth later on, we'll see how it does. I think the 13 tooth worked really well with the Surpass Platinum motor, but it might be a bit slow on this, but we're going to give it a go on this gearing first, check the temperatures and it's running okay, and then if it is we'll go up to a bigger pinion and do another speed run and yeah, just see how good it is compared to the Surpass motor. So today I'm out here with the Team Magic E5 with the Xteam motor on 3S. It's just hit LVC. Just taking the body off and the motor got to about 50 degrees, maybe a bit more. This is geared for 43 miles an hour. So I'm just going to do a speed test, change the battery and then do a speed run with it. We've got the GPS in the shell, so yeah, let's go. So I've let it cool off for a bit now. You can see it's about 35 degrees, maybe 37. So put a fresh pack in, 3S again. Probably move that balance connector to the other side actually. Quickly. There we go, you can see it's 3S, obviously, usual Turnigy heavy duty. Got the GPS in, so I'll switch over to the screen recording and see how fast it'll go. Right, so we've got the GPS set up now. So, gonna just test it, make sure it's working. It is. Right. Let's go. Track, start. Right, let's see what we got. Stop, read. 40 miles an hour, not too bad, we'll give it another run. See how fast it went. Stop. 39, so yeah, about 40 mile an hour this setup. Not too bad. I'll give you a quick little video so you can see how fast it is. Can't really see when it's going away, but off we go. Bit of a crash there. Pretty good at wheeling. Lost some grip there. Yeah, there we go. Now that we've speed run the Xteam motor, just want to give me thoughts on it. So we'll take the body off. There it is, as you can see we did 40 mile an hour as you will have seen in the video, 39 on the second pass. I did run the pack down pretty much flat out, just up and down the field after the run, and it got up to about 67 degrees Celsius which is definitely hotter than the Surpass Platinum, despite being a lower kV going nearly 10% slower. So I think I'm going to go for a 14 tooth pinion and retest it, see if it does any better, because when this truck's geared to about 40 miles an hour, it can get the front end up, as you will have seen in the video, but it's not trying to do it constantly, so you can pin it for full throttle all the way up and down the field, whereas when it's geared to 45, it's trying to lift the front wheels off the ground all the time, so you're probably at like 80-90% throttle, which means the Platinum might run a bit cooler because of that, I don't know. So we are going to try a bigger pinion gear on this motor, see if we can get a bit more out. I don't know if I'm going to go for a 14 or a 15 tooth, but that will be in a future video. The next motor I've got to try in here is a Surpass KK series, which is a red can, so we'll give one of those a go. I've got two of them, so that will be the next motor you'll see. Yeah, this motor ran a bit warmer. Not particularly quick, but obviously being a lower kV that was kind of expected, but I didn't expect it to run as hot as it did or as warm as it did, so I don't know. I would say this motor is about the same temperature and power feeling as the Hobbywing 3200 kV motor, and I would say the Surpass Platinum is better than both of those, which is surprising considering this motor is a little bit more expensive. So yeah, not quite as good on the initial impression, but I'm going to give it a second chance with a higher kV, not higher kV, a bigger pinion, and we'll see what it can do then.